So guys, today I am going to share you how to make a free proxy website and how can you easily earn from this website. So see, I am going to duplicate this website. Exactly, I will make this type of website but design slightly change, and this type of website easily get 2.3k monthly organic traffic. Okay, so if you can promote your site likely in the Facebook and others platform, I will share you how to get free traffic from a high traffic website. Okay, so I will make this type of exactly this website, and earning will be not much more, like you see, only daily cents, that means you will earn daily I mean per second, per minute, 2 or 3 cents, and it will increase day by day. Okay, you have to wait, you have to keep patient, and it is actually not a gambling site like you play and earn. You have to work here. So you need this HTML code, and also need this HTML code for making the proxy website. Very simple work, you will see, very simple to use, and you only need to just 1 or 2 step to make this possible. Okay, please don't skip this video, otherwise you can miss the main point. So first you need to go a new blog, click on new blog and give it a title. I am giving it free proxy, free for you. Okay, this is the my title. Okay, and then I am going to make a address, free proxy online, that means it's very easy, free proxy online working, that means my proxy is working. I am just using this name. I hope this will be available because it's very common name. Okay, so this is available. I just click on the save. So after that you will see, now when I click on the save button, then my blog is ready, but you need to now blank your blog, like you need to download this HTML code. Okay, this HTML code download, this is, you will download anyway, this is a .xml file. After download, go to here your blog and click on setting, I mean not setting, click on themes. Okay, after go to themes and then click on restore, then click on upload. Okay, so when you click on upload, then upload the downloaded file which I already shared it. I will share you in the comments or description box. Then see, your blog will be full clean. I need this clean site. Okay, so when my blog will full clean, then I am going to share, I am going to use this code. See, I will share you this code. Just copy the code, you do not need to anything, just copy this code. Okay, so after copy this code, you just everything will be okay. So you just copy the code and go to edit HTML. Okay, so you copy the code, go to edit HTML, and in the body section just click on enter. In the body section just click on enter, then Ctrl V. Okay, now see, it's completed. After this you just now need a $10 skipped code. I will share you also this. Who see my video already know what is $10 skip, and if you are new, I will share you how to use this $10 skip. So it is very simple. Okay, so after the code paste, I mean where my code is completed, it's under the table. So this is my code. Okay, this code is completed here. So under the table code, you need to paste the $10 skip code. If you are very new, you do not need to now $10 skip, but if you have already a Adsterra account, you can use this. Okay, so after you need the $10 skip from code. So I am going to share you the $10 skip code. This is very simple. Okay, so see, this is the $10 skip code. You just need to copy the code only. If you have Adsterra account, you can use this. Okay, so just keep on just copy the code from here. Okay, copy the code and paste it under the table. That's it, paste it under the table, and you need to change the direct link here. Here is total 5 direct link. Okay, you need to change the direct link from here. So it is very simple. Just go to your Adsterra account, just change. If you don't have Adsterra account, you can skip this part. You can skip $10 skipped a part. Okay, so I am just changing the direct link in here. That's it. One by one, just change the all direct link from here. Okay, say my direct link also are ready now. Every direct link I am changing. So my direct link also ready now, and just paste it in here. Okay, so see, I think just copy from here and paste it in here. Okay, and copy same again from here and paste it in here. That's it. So guys, see, as you can see now, I just pasted in here everything, and you need to now see, you need to make some SEO keyword. Otherwise, if you don't use this, your blog maybe it will not related in Google search. Sometimes it's neat, but we will use only the technical method. Okay, we will promote our site from the high traffic website. I will share you, already you know who see my video previous time, where I generate high traffic from website. This is very simple to generate high traffic website. So see what actually I am doing. It's very simple. I'm just copy the SEO keyword from here and paste it in the HTML code under the script, $10 script. You can do this under the $10 script, or you can paste it under the table. Whatever you want, you can paste it in here. That's it. Now it's all completed. I do not need to now do anything in my blog here. My blog is full completed, ready. So see, I will review the blog and you will understand I just change the timing of the $10 script. It was 1000. Now I just change it to 20,000, because if 1,000 and then it will be very short time to load the direct link, so the viewer will not visit your website. So keep it 10,000 to 20,000. Okay, 15,000 to 20,000. So see, after completing the full things, you need to register your new site in the Adsterra account. Just click on the add website. Okay, then paste your website link, new website link here, and just write a category there, give social, and click on pop under. Okay, then add. So your everything is now completed, and wait just 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it will automatically approved. And this is very simple. Don't go anywhere. I will share you how to get traffic from paid website, also from social media. Okay, both will be helpful for you. So I hope you don't go anywhere. So see, just copy it and paste it in the head code. So I am going to same again my website and going to edit HTML and paste it in the head code here, after in between head code. Okay, after the head code I will just paste it in here, enter, Ctrl V, and just save it. Okay, so see, everything is completed, and I will just now refresh it. Everything is completed. I will just now refresh the website, and I will say how look my website. Okay, so see, everything is completed, the website is ready, and the ad also working. See, it's showing a link, it's showing a hand, that means it's showing a link. See, website is loading with ad. Now after 20 seconds, as I keep 20,000 in the $10 script, so that's why after 20 seconds it will automatically go to a direct link. It is my secret. I will use every method to double the earning. Okay, that's it. Now what I am going to do now, it's very simple. Just go to Facebook, and okay, you know, it is very simple, but it is working. You know why? search free proxy for CPA, then click on this group. Every CPA marketer need free proxy. They eagerly search for free proxy. So when you share this proxy website with them, they will definitely go there. That's my first targeted audience. Okay, free proxy website. So CPA marketer always like this type of free proxy, and it is already working. I already shown you the first website. So hi guys, free proxy available. That's it. You just paste your link here, and it's enough to get attraction from the group. Okay, so many gamer need free proxy, so they will go to your website from this type of group. After that, we will use a very high active high CPM traffic website, and already who see my video, they know where I just get those free traffic. Okay, this is called traffic CJ. So after doing this type of promotion, you just need to go to you every day do 5 to 10 posts in this group. Okay, that means keep at least 20 posts every day in Facebook group, and in here just invest 30 minutes. Okay, in 30 minutes you will get high traffic from this website. You need to first register here if you don't have any account, or if you cannot log in here, just use your mail again and with register button. I hope your first problem will solve. After that, you just need to paste your website in here and search for ad. Okay, as you will serving this website, that means other person also serving your website. Okay, I hope you got my point. This is not a bot view, this is real view, and that's why I always use this type of website, because it is not actually bot. Bot means one click 1000 view in 1 second. And how is it possible? One click 1000 view, it is bot view. I do not support this type of bot view. I only support genuine website view. Okay, so I need to log in here because my mail already have account here. So after logging in this here, and keep on okay, click on the add site button. There is so many settings, you do not need to go anywhere, just click on add site button, and after add site button, just paste your link here, your blog link. Copy the blog link from here and paste it in here. That's it. After, okay, you need to give it the name free proxy website, and after that you just paste it in here. Okay, so see, this is very simple. And at this site you do not need to any other setting here. Now every credit you earn from this website, you will get back from this website. Like you see, when you serve for credits, then you will get credit in your website. Okay, when you serve here, so you will get credit. After this time complete, click on E. They showing that E, you need to complete the time, and after complete the time, click on E. You will get the credit here very easily. So do this at least 30 minutes every day. I hope you will get the high quality traffic from this website. See, other website I am seeing from my desktop. That's how others people also see your website from their point of view. You can use banner code here. I already show how to duplicate the banner code and how to get views. You can use that method, but the simple method I am showing, it's very genuine and it's working method. So see, if you click on B, and then don't worry, you will just wait some time, and after each timing complete, just click on the code, that means B. So that's it guys. I am just trying to showing you how so many in YouTube, so many people, so many visitor comments that their Adsterra.New not working. So actually you know what, my every video, who see my video, they understand how technically I work in this field. And my one account I always show in my video, it's already, you see the username is same every time. If my account got banned, how could I share my account details? How can I share it live with the refresh? So who comments my account is banned? I think you maybe did something spamming type of work from others website, but not following my method. My method if got banned, then my account also got banned. But my account, I always test first in my others account, then if it's working, then I do the same method in my second Adsterra account. If second Adsterra account is safe, then I have another accounts which is very secure. I use this method on this Adsterra account. This is very simple things I just do. See, every day not you can sometimes earn $10, $100, but every day you can earn 4 to 5, 3 to 4 like cents per hour. 80 cents, 90 cents you can easily generate from here by using this method, and it is very working method. I hope you guys get it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will subscribe and like, comment. Thank you guys.